Hey, I'm Chris Roche over here at 58 Lower Bay Road over in Sanbornton, New Hampshire. This is a waterfront home I'm super excited to share with you guys. This one sits here with about 3,200 square feet overlooking Lake Winnisquam. Now this is a wonderful lake for fishing, boating, just spending the day out on the lake with crystal clear water. So come on inside and I'll show you guys around. Now what I love about this space is that as soon as you walk in, you're greeted by these beautiful tall ceilings lined with pine. Not only that, but the tall ceilings allow so much natural sunlight to come in through your big windows here that look straight out at Lake Winnisquam. Now this is a gorgeous space to hang out, enjoy your company. You have your kitchen right here flowing straight into your nice little living area with a fireplace and stone backdrop. It's really just so comfortable. Now on this first floor, we have a total of 4 bedrooms, 2 on this side with a bath, and right behind you we have 2 additional bedrooms with their own bath as well. Now for the extra guest space above or below, we have 1 more full bath right on this side, right in the middle here. Now if you follow me down this hallway, I have a surprise for you that adds a ton of value to this property. Now what makes this lower level so great is that you have a complete in-law apartment, complete with kitchen, family room, and bedroom and bath. Now what's so special about this is it gives you a place for your guests to stay and have complete privacy from the rest of the home. Now for many of you out there, it's all about the water. And let's take you down to the dock and I'll show you what we have. Now Lake Winnisquam is the region's 3rd largest lake. It's a little bit windy today, so you can see we got a little bit of wave action. It's a little rough, but I can assure you the water is clear, sandy bottom, and you got enough depth here to store your boat.